Hello. So you probably already seen my short video, Christmas makeup challenge, give this to Kevin. This video went viral and as I'm talking right now, it has 749,419 views. Oh my god. Thank you so much for all the love. It grabbed a lot of attention to my channel and so many of you subscribed. Welcome to my family. Let me give you a hug. So today I'm gonna recreate the makeup look from Give This to Kevin makeup challenge. Also, I'm gonna recreate the hairstyles and talk a couple of details, why this video went viral, why so many of you liked it, what is a short video and what YouTube does about it. So grab a drink to stay hydrated. Please like this video and let's rewatch the video I'm talking about, and also I'm gonna post the link down below.
Kevin, give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Here you go, Kevin. Kevin's not here. Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here. Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here. Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
What?
Alright guys, I think it's such a great video. So what was this Christmas makeup challenge about? So reading the comments, I realized that some of you were confused, why is this a Christmas makeup challenge? Because they don't see anything Christmassy about it. And you know what? You are right. The audio of this video was really popular on TikTok on Christmas time of the year. And is it from the movie Home Alone 2 Lost in New York, which is an American movie super popular in Western culture and not only. But of course, Christmas is celebrated by Christians. And I realized that not everyone who is watching this video is Christian. Am I saying that? I mean following Christianity as a religion. So not everyone has seen the movie, duh. My cat is playing with this. So my video Give This to Kevin makeup challenge can be seen from all over the world, so I felt need to explain that. In the movie, this scene is happening at the airport. The family members are trying to give to Kevin, a 10-year-old boy, his luggage. The last two people, his mom and dad, realize that Kevin is not there with them for the second time, so their youngest kid is lost again somewhere by himself, so she freaks out and she screams. So as a makeup artist, of course I put my twist into this challenge and I consider I'm gonna give to Kevin some makeup. So the challenge is this: for every Give This to Kevin and Kevin is not here, I added one more step in my makeup. So we got foundation, contour, concealer, powder, blush, eyeshadow, eyeliner, one false lash, another false lash, lipstick, and then, well, I ran out of makeup steps, so I decided to do something with my hair. So I created some different hairstyles. Some of you didn't realize that all this time I was applying makeup. Maybe because the video is too bright, maybe I'm too far from the camera, maybe because my acting was good, maybe all of them. The truth is, I wanted to create a glam makeup step by step, and also I have a bachelor and a master degree in performing art acting. So yeah, you got me. So let's do the makeup now. First things first, I straighten my hair. Second of all, let's get the dress on. Alright, dress is on. And if you came so far in this video, please like it and don't subscribe yet if you're not convinced. And please let me know where you guys from. Let me know, where do you live? I live in USA, in New York. Where do you live? Write it down, write it down. This video has 24 different shots. It took, I think, like 3 hours to do my makeup and shot while I'm doing my makeup, and shoot while I'm doing my makeup. So first and second shots, there is nothing on my face, so give this to Kevin, I get it, give this to Kevin. I had this palette from Natasha, Denona, that she said the foundation, the Fenty Gloss. So these three products, I was like giving them and receiving them. On the third shot, I have foundation and concealer on. So we're gonna dip that with My English is so bad. For primer, I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is a very nice primer. And my favorite foundation last year was the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing. This is oil-free, broad spectrum SPF 30. I love this. And yes, guys, I have some reaction on my skin. I think it's from the mask. I'm trying to get it fixed, but... And I'm actually gonna add a bit of the tone for foundation. For foundation brush, I'm gonna use the Eggshell foundation brush. And I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Don't forget your neck. And now I'm gonna go blend everything with the sponge. This sponge is from the Trendmood box. It's a collaboration between Trendmood and DSM shop. It's such a good beauty sponge, and unfortunately it was limited edition, but I actually, if this was available, I'm really thinking to repurchase it. It's such a good blending sponge. For concealer, I'm gonna go first with the Benefit Boy Ink Cakeless Concealer, and also I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is even lighter, and blend everything with the sponge. By the way, guys, first app where I posted this makeup challenge was TikTok, and I'm curious how many of you has TikTok or not. You can find me there at Madella Beauty, and I'm gonna also contour with concealers. NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is darker. In the fourth scene, I am seeing some blush. I'm gonna go with the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. I have a full review about this palette. You can see it right here. I'm gonna take the Glow Cream Base. Oh, look at that glow. And we didn't apply powder yet, so we can apply a bit more product to be more accentuated, because when we're gonna apply powder, the coverage is gonna cover a bit the intensity of the blush. In that video, I used a different powder, but now I'm gonna use the One Size by Patrick Star Ultimate Setting Powder. In the fifth and the sixth shot, I see eyeshadows and eyebrows, and I know for eyebrows I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade, so we're gonna use that today. And beside that, I purchased this new product from her, the Brow Freeze. This is actually a really great product. I know everybody is into soap brows right now, so you take a little bit of this gel and you lift your eyebrows, and my eyebrows are actually really coarse, so it's really hard to tame them, so I'm trying to lift them. Woo! Next, I'm gonna take the pomade, apply in the sparse places. So isn't that funny that I posted this video first on TikTok, but then I uploaded it on YouTube in December, because that's when I heard about the shorts videos. So if you guys don't know what shorts videos are, it's a new feature from YouTube. I think they're trying to compete with TikTok and this style of new format in which we are watching videos now. You cannot monetize these videos, and you cannot get the time watch from them, which is really sour for YouTubers, for content creators. But the thing is, there can be spikes in these short videos that I don't think it has nothing to do with the nature of the video. So sometimes there are some spikes, and like in 1 hour you can have 1,000 or 2,000 views, and it's like, whoa, what happened? So it can take off from there or not. It depends if people like it. I know part of the success is that the short feature is new to YouTube. In the same time, so many people liked it and they continue to watch it. Eyebrows are done. Let's go to eyeshadow. I used 2 eyeshadow palettes as far as I remember. I used the e.l.f. Retro Paradise eyeshadow palette and Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. So I'm gonna start with this one from e.l.f. I'm gonna take the shade Sandy Bum. and I'm gonna apply it in my crease. So yeah, I was talking about the short videos. It got so much attention to my channel, and the thing is, I really hope now that the subscribers, the new subscribers that I have, are actually interested in the actual content that I am doing, which is makeup reviews and makeup tutorials, because I feel like on TikTok I'm also acting a bit, and I know people might like that. I'm gonna accentuate the crease with this darker brown. This is called Coconut. These eyeshadows blend so well. I love this palette. It was my favorite in 2020. And now I'm gonna dig into the purple. It's a pastel purple. It's called Tropicana. I'm gonna use this flat brush and I'm gonna go on top. So now it's starting to look the same as in the video. This is actually really easy eyeshadow look to create. The big difference on this eyeshadow looks makes the eyeliner and the lashes. I'm gonna go in this eyeshadow palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I'm gonna take the shade Dusty Rose. I'm gonna try to blend the edges. The next I see on the lower lash eyeshadow, so I'm gonna take practically the same shades, the Sandy, the Coconut, the 9 I see some eyeliner, and then on the 10 more eyeliner, because I thought it wasn't enough. So I'm gonna get the Kat Von D eyeliner, tattoo liner, and I'm gonna create a wing liner. And with this I'm going in the inner corner, and I'm gonna create here like a sharp corner. Oh shit, I went. No. It's okay, I'm gonna put the lashes there. On the upper and lower waterline, I'm gonna use the NARS High Pigment Long Wear Eyeliner in the shade Black. And the waterline as well. Did I go in waterline? I think I did. Did I? I think I did. I don't remember, guys. I shoot this video actually like 3 months ago. Yes, I did. And I'm gonna create like a sharp inner corner. I'm gonna take a dark brown like this and smudge that. Okay, I feel like it looks a little bit more intense than in that video, but in that video also the filter is strong and super bright. Okay, next steps is the mascara, and I think in that video I use Naco mascara. I do apply mascara before I apply my false lashes. I feel like sometimes I have eyeshadow or powder on my lashes and I want to make sure they are like black and separated. And on the lower lashes I'm gonna use the Milk Kush mascara. Next I see some bronzer and lipstick. For bronzer I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I'm gonna take a brush and bronze / contour my face. For lips, I've used the Kokie retractable lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose. And as a lipstick, I've used the Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Very Victoria. The formula is great on these lipsticks. And I think in the center, I went a bit with a Huda Beauty lipstick. And the next shot we have highlighter and one eyelash. So we're gonna play the same palette from Natasha Denona. I'm gonna take a bit of this. This is very high shine. And for highlighter, I'm gonna take this one. Apply it right here. Gives a beautiful glow. Inner corner. Right, and I think that was the moment where I decided, should I go with lashes or no? And I was like, yes, let's go with lashes. I'm gonna use the Lilly lashes in the style Miami Lite, and these are like quite extra. So give this to Kevin. Oh, these lashes are so extra. So extra. And another give this to Kevin, or Kevin, For the next scene, I actually see that I am applying lipstick while filming, and that was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Sweet Mouth, and I just want to mention that I reviewed the all 5 Fenty Cream Lip Gloss, and actually I'm gonna use this one today. This is in the shade Fenty Glow. Pretty much the same, but without the shimmer. Oh my god, the way it smells! I was pretty much done, and I had some other Kevin is not here, Kevin is not here. So I was like, let me do something with my hair. I'm gonna brush my hair. So I'm gonna do like a low ponytail. Just like that. Setting spray. I'm gonna use this one today, the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. Ooh, this actually makes me really dewy. So we got a low ponytail.
Kevin's not here.
Also, we have a semi updo. I don't know what I wanted to go, kind of like Ariana Grande style, but like it wasn't. Oh, is it like this? Yeah, something like this. Like, again, Kevin is not here. The 20th shot, we have the high ponytails. Kevin is not here. The last one, what was it? A side split, like that. And I got this hair accessory, which is a pine tree that, you know, it's popular in Christmas season. So I've used regular bobby pins and then this bobby pin. Ouch. And I feel like this girl, I sound so much like Kourtney or Kim Kardashian. It was like, Kevin is not here.
Kevin's not here.
The last 2 shots, are we gonna do the scream? The mom is giving the luggage to the father. The father says, what? The mom realizes that Kevin, her 10-year-old son, is again lost somewhere. So it's a great movie. I highly recommend it to watch it, especially in the Christmas season, or just for the fun of it. So the mom realizes and she's screaming. She's like, yeah, so that was all, guys. I'm so happy I redid that because I love that video. So that was me recreating the Christmas makeup challenge. Give this to Kevin TikTok makeup challenge. I hope you liked it. I think it's not hard at all, especially the eyeshadow part. It's really simple. Please like this video. It will mean a lot to me, and also share this video or the other video, the makeup challenge, to your friends. So let me know, guys, if you want me to post more short videos, and also I invite you to watch the other videos as well. And I'm actually planning to do a couple of TikTok makeup challenges, makeup hacks that went viral on TikTok. If you like to see more videos of mine, you can click right here, and if you like to subscribe, I make it easier for you, and you have it